G'day everyone. We're going fishing out to in the Macquarie River out in Dubbo at a secret spot. We might be heading off in a couple minutes time, and I might go for a fish this afternoon. First I need to go pick up these Wilson slickbacks I've ordered, and then on Sunday morning we'll be heading out early and then go bait fishing for them, because as we've been catching them all on. And yeah, we'll see when we G'day guys, we arrived in Dubbo about half an hour ago, and I decided to come for a fish down there. I didn't have the camera on, but there's like this kind of a little boat ramp sort of a thing, and I casted there, and I was throwing around this Cartafura lure, and he followed it, and then a piece of line was wrapped around it, so I couldn't really cast back in. And about 15 minutes later, casted back in the same spot, not in the same spot, but about 10 meters out, and then hooked him. And then when I was about to pull him up, that's when he dropped off. But I might come down this salvo again, and I'll talk to you later. G'day everyone. Me and my mate, we've come back down to the river again, same with my brother. And at the moment we're just bait fishing with some cheese. And yeah, it's looking pretty nice out here. Water's nice and still. But yeah, got my rod set up around here somewhere, and they're over there. My friend, he's casting bait around, and now we just need to sit and wait. Yeah, he's casting a lure around, not bait. Yeah, you know what I meant. Earlier on, I lost a yellow belly, but see how we go this time, and get back to you if we get one. G'day everyone. We haven't had any luck this arvo. I lost the yellow belly a couple of hours ago, so we came back to the same spot, but just a little bit further on. And while we've been waiting for the bait, I've been throwing around a red Wilson slickback. Had no luck on that, and only had one bite on my bait rod, but that's about it. And we'll get back to you tomorrow afternoon, or tomorrow early in the morning. There are flies everywhere. And we'll see you later.
12 sacks. Put it in the bin. What's up?
Yeah.
Face it to me. Just go. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
You guys just hooked up?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dad's hooked up to a nice cod.
Good one. I'm gonna put some more baby. Got him.
Got him. Good job, Dad.
You beauty.
That is huge.
Pretty nice cod. That one right there. Dad's just hooked up to this nice cod on some cheese. We just cast it up to that wall, and Dad hooked up straight away. And it's a really nice fish. Look at the colours on him. He's a good size as well. Alright, the trip has ended, and so far we've only got one fish, but when we head back, I might go back to the river, and yep, see you then.